breaking news from KSBW Action News 8.
Good afternoon, everybody. We want to get you updated on current conditions out across the Central Coast and really across a good part of California. If you're seeing me right now and hearing me, you're most likely either on generator power or you have power. For many of you, though, you do not, so you might want to check in on friends and family. You can see the numbers here, and these are households, not actual people. It's a lot higher than that, obviously. 36,000 there, up towards San Mateo County, Santa Cruz County, 14,000. But again, that's households, so you can double or almost triple the number of people affected by some of these power outages. 32,000 down through Monterey County. 40,000 near it outside of Santa Clara County. And then as we move into the Central Valley, those same winds we had earlier now in the Central Valley, 100,000 households now in Sacramento County without power, and that is going up rapidly right now with those winds, again, gusting between about 40 and almost 70 miles an hour. And that's right at the ground level in the Central Valley. We're not talking about higher peaks because in the Central Valley, there are no high peaks. Max wind gusts around here. 47 over at the airport of Monterey, 55 in Salinas at the airport, also 55 in Hollister, 48 Gilroy, 48 San Jose, 48 San Francisco. But again, if you go up into the peaks locally, either in the Santa Lucias or the Santa Cruz Mountains, we've had some very, very high winds. Look at Highlands Peak, gusts to 79, Cushing Mountain, 84, Front Ranch, 88 miles an hour, and they're not even that high up. And Lime Creek, which is more or less right down at the coast, 85 miles an hour. That's where we expected the strongest winds, right along the Big Sur coastline, and that certainly came to pass. So a lot of folks with damage there. Of course, roads blocked, power out, trees down. 50 mile an hour up in Ben Lomond. Santa Cruz had a gust to 64, 56 in Salinas, 55 in Greenfield. So you can see it's widespread. 60 Monterey, 54 Pebble Beach, 79 Carmel Valley, and 88 in Big Sur. I'd say this is one of the most widespread wind events that I can remember across the Central Coast. We're not, again, just talking about the higher peaks. So where's the wind going? High wind warning continues through 10 p.m. tonight. I think we'll see substantial decrease in the winds between about 4 and 10 p.m. So the worst of the winds have either happened or are happening now in some cases. Still 20 to 30, though, and gusts between 50 and 60. And of course, we're pretty saturated. Trees are still coming down, so be careful out there. Down trees, down power lines, power outages, and blocked roads, all issues across parts of the Central Coast, especially in the mountainous communities. So again, check on your neighbors there before it gets dark. We have some flash flood watches and warnings up in the North Bay and up towards Marin County. We have flood watches, which will continue through Monday morning. Although the steadiest and heaviest of rain is probably done, there's going to be numerous showers, and any one of those could drop a lot of rain on top of the saturated soils. Flood watches continue through Monday morning for everybody. And again, along those burn scars, we still have flash flood watches down along the Dolan and the river burn scar, which is right there. So again, if you live in those areas, do be aware of your surroundings. In terms of the rivers, we definitely dodged a bullet. We had what we call a lot of sort of offshore easterly winds, which kept some of the rain rates and the amounts of rain down from what was possible with this. So again, very unusual storm system in a lot of ways, and that's good news for us. So even though we're coming up pretty hard on the San Lorenzo, the steadiest of rains has ended. We will see bursts of rain and some heavier rain, but it won't last for very long. And in fact, the models had predicted it being up near 14 feet, and we're up around 12 feet. The flow is really heavy, though, so don't get near the river. It will start to come down here over the next few hours, so that is good news. Looking at the Pajaro, again, that will peak later as we go into the next, let's say, 24 to 48 hours. But again, expecting to stay below flood stage. It'll get close, but I think we're dodging a bullet there as well. Carmel River getting close to maybe action or minor flood stage, but again, the predicted value is higher than where we are now. So that's good news, meaning we didn't reach where we thought we would be at this point in the storm system. And again, with the steadier rain starting to wind down, I think that's good news there as well. Doppler radar still showing, again, pockets of heavy rain moving through. That'll continue to be the case really right through tomorrow morning. And again, any one of those showers could be a thunderstorm. We could see some lightning, and we could see heavy downpours along with some hail as we go through tonight. Here's the bigger picture. Big storm system, very powerful. That got very close to the Central Coast. There's the center of the low, which is now just off of the North Coast there up towards Crescent City. You can see rain there, snow wrapping around. The atmospheric river part of it is actually down in Southern California. They're just getting started. They will see heavy rain, anywhere from 5 to maybe 10 inches of rain between right now and about Tuesday morning. So flooding a good bet there, and some of it could be some extreme flooding. Of course, they've been very wet the last couple of weeks as well. Winter storm warnings are going to go through Tuesday morning. Some of the roads are going to open and close, and the wind is getting up into the Sierra now. So with trees laden with snow, a lot of power outages expected up there as well. We'll continue to track this as we go through the evening. Again, still power outages across the Central Coast, still windy and still wet, so take it easy out there. And again, we'll have a full update, a full forecast coming up a little bit later.